case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals heard the case of Fritts v. McKinne, which dealt with the issue of whether a patient's past behavior, drug use, or involvement in other events could be used to alter a legal judgment in a medical negligence case. The case centered around David Fritts, who was seriously injured in a one-vehicle accident and later died due to complications from surgery. Fritz's spouse filed a wrongful death action against Dr. Richard McKinne, claiming that he violated the standard of care by failing to properly identify and isolate the innominate artery during surgery. At the jury trial, the court made the controversial decision to allow evidence of Fritz's substance abuse and instruct the jury on comparative negligence. The Oklahoma Court of Civil Appeals ultimately reversed the judgment in favor of the doctor, granting a new trial on remand. The court determined that evidence of the patient's past behavior and substance abuse was not relevant to the claim of negligence against the doctor. Furthermore, the defense's attempt to use the patient's own negligence to avoid liability was deemed inappropriate. The decision in Fritts v. McKinne established that in medical negligence cases, defendants cannot use a plaintiff's own negligence or behavior to avoid liability for their own negligent actions. Additionally, evidence related to a patient's past behavior, drug use, or involvement in other events should not be used to alter legal judgments in such cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.